Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy SpaceX on Robinhood, step by step. I'll be walking through this on the mobile app. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and log in. Once you're in, you'll see the bottom navigation bar with menu, search, markets, account, and cash. Next, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen to access the search function. The search bar will appear at the top where you can type. Now, in the search bar, type either SPCX or SpaceX. Both will work. You'll see SpaceX with the ticker SPCX appear in the search results below. Tap on SpaceX from the results. This opens the stock detail page where you'll see the current price, charts, recent news, and key stats about the company. At the bottom of this page, you'll see a buy button. If you don't already own SpaceX stock, it'll say buy by default. If you already own some, you'll see trade. Instead, just tap trade, then select buy. Either way, tap it now, and the order entry screen will appear. On the order screen, you'll see a field where you can enter how much you want to purchase. At the top, there's a toggle between dollars and shares. You can switch between entering a dollar amount or a specific number of shares. Choose whichever works for you and enter your amount. Robinhood supports fractional shares, so you don't need to buy a whole share if you don't want to. You'll typically see the order type option below the amount field. The default is usually a market order, which buys at the current price. You can tap on it to change it to a limit order if you want to set a maximum price you're willing to pay. For now, leave it as market order unless you have a specific price in mind. Review everything on the screen. Your total cost, the number of shares or dollar amount, and the order type are all displayed here. When you're ready, swipe up on the confirmation slider at the bottom or tap the Submit Order button. You'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your order was placed. A few things to keep in mind. The shares will show up in your portfolio once the order executes, and you can track the SpaceX stock price in real time from your dashboard. Keep in mind that the last traded price you see isn't necessarily the exact price your order will execute at market orders. Fill at the current market price when they process. Also, if you're trading during extended hours or the 24/5 market window, you'll need to use a limit order instead of a market order. Robinhood doesn't charge commissions on stock trades, so you'll only pay the share price itself. And that's how to buy SpaceX on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.